Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make a Discord bot without coding and online 24/7. First, you have to go to developer portal and then create an application. This is just an example, test 60, and then click create an application. Here you have to scroll down and look for this option right here and simply go to URL generator. Kindly look for a bot and then tap that one or click chat. Scroll down and then here you have to click this as administrator. That means you let this bot be an administrator to your Discord. And then after that, go to bot and you have to scroll down and you have to toggle this three here. Toggle this one on. Okay, toggle this one on, tap this one on, and then save changes. Now, once you let this bot as an admin, I want you to open a new tab and then go to Replete. And then here, what you want to do is to simply scroll down till you see this option that says fork and run. Tap this one here. Now you have to let it run and you have to wait for a couple of seconds and then tap this manage. And then it will take you directly to this. Now, as you can see here on the right side, what we're going to do now is to go back to developer portal and then reset the token here. Tap this yes to it and then copy this token. Go back to Replit and then paste it here under value. And then that's it. Now, after that, what you want to do is open your Discord. And since you have let this bot as an administrator, you have to open that bot here. So once you tap or open this bot, the name of my bot that I created earlier is test 60. So once you're under that bot, what you want to do is just simply try if this bot work. So you can simply slash help or slash give or slash create a prompt here, and then that's it. You have now created a bot here on your Discord. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.